Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this fantastic, because it is fantastic, air duster that this company sent to me for the video. I think this may be, or probably it is, the most powerful compact air duster that I tried before. And I had many. I had like three others, but this is the tiniest one that I had. But yet it is so powerful. So it was charging right there. It recharges via USB-C. It has a really nice silicone grip. I have to say, it has a really nice grip. And then it has 3 speeds that they're super powerful, as well as some accessories. You're gonna find this one right here, and then you're gonna find this one for more precise air dusting, and then you're gonna find this one, which is kind of like the standard one. What I'm gonna do right now, actually I'm gonna leave this one because I want to show you something. I want to kind of like clean some of my keyboard, my PC, my kind of like desk and things like that. But this one could be good for anything. It could be good for your car. It could be good for your home office setup, your gaming setup. It could be really good to take it out with you on camping and like ignite that fire. That could be another good one because it's really compact. But then let me show you the test of resistance over here. Let's actually go with the first one. Short press. This is my microphone over here. This is just the first one. Second one. Third one. This is insane. Insane how powerful this tiny thing is. Wow, this is fantastic. Yeah, but I basically think that this is really good for kind of like your gaming setup and things like that. And this is how you just like put the accessories just like that. You can check it out right here. I don't know why the camera is doing this, but you can check it out right here. We're gonna actually turn it on. And this is so good. Again, it is so powerful. Just take a look at this, what it's doing. It is so powerful. You gotta kind of like take care of how powerful this one is. But I think that's intended. So that is a good thing. Really powerful, really compact, and for sure it's gonna help you to keep everything clean. Compact, powerful, 130,000 RPM. Oh, it just like blew up the box. So this one, yeah, it's gonna be your air duster 100%. Look at this. It's so powerful that it's keeping in my hand with just doing the, oh my god, this is fantastic. So good. Battery display here as well. This is a must have.